Hello everybody, this is Amit. I've got a new unboxing for you today. These two options what it could be, but well, let's just open it. Okay, there was a thank you card here somewhere, and it was the first thing that it was going to be, which is there in English? A crazy YiLeng MoYu cube. Again, this is a cube for my collection. It has nothing to do with speed cube. It's kind of an irregular cube. Let's see what is on it. Felix Zender, Chinese, picture Chinese. Info in Chinese, picture itself, and a whole bunch of Chinese stuff. So let's just open it gently. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it, but this is gently. And okay, first thing that I noticed, there is one annoying bubble in the cube. Nothing to it. This seems to be like a protective sticker on the logo. It should come off. Hate those things, but there we go. So this is it. Crazy MoYu. The thing is, this is like a regular MoYu. This is a YiLeng. I guess this is from some other cube actually. It's supposed to be like the same cube, but as you can see, all the lines are different, not even. So, and it's a little bit heavier for some reason. As far as the color, it seems that they've done a little bit brighter. This is also a sticker that it came with. You can see the white is brighter, also the orange, also the yellow. The blue is different shade, I think, but close enough. The red is the same, and the orange, this is the big difference that make me notice that. I got this cube on eBay from some guy for $12, $12.50, something like that, US dollars. So I don't know, let's see first move, I guess, without lubing it. Okay, as you expect, like from a MoYu cube, it turns pretty good. And this is another layer. So if you want to do like an M slice over here, it's, I guess it's like this. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, because this is center and this is center, but on the other side, no, center, sorry. If I twist it like sorry, so this is like center. This is like a centerpiece actually, and if we will disassemble it, let's try to take one piece out. It should be easy because it is a MoYu cube. You can still see there is torpedoes on it and everything, and as you can see, like this piece, which is, let's see if we can make it closer. This piece, which has two colors, it's actually a centerpiece, which is connected to the core. So let's just take it back, and that's it. I also signed one movie, like you can, if you twist this side, it still look the same shape for some reason, which this could have done in a better way, but it's still a good cube. I mean, it moved pretty good. Let's try to do like Okay, and that's why. So this was supposed to be a T-prom, and for some reason it's look pretty strange actually, so I try to do it again. Okay, see, okay. So you know what, because I already got it wrong, give me a second. Let's just scramble the cube and see how it looks. Whoa. Because it's irregular cube, it's hard to see which pieces well. I mean, I can hardly notice where is the centers and stuff like that. I don't. Let's see, I want this one, yeah. And then we do like this kind of turn, and as you can see, it's pretty quick become crazy. I don't know, let's try to solve it. If it will take a while, I will cut it and we'll see. I'm starting with the white because it's supposed to be easy, because the center is pretty obvious, and then you have this the cross, and I will get one piece, and the other is this one. Yeah, so this is the white cross, and I guess that now, because all the side doesn't have the side piece, it's not two colors, it's one color. I guess this is the one. So I guess to put it in should be something. Okay, it's very hard to keep it aligned, but okay, this is, I guess, also a problem that I haven't thought about it. The orientation of the other center. So, not before that. Let's this one. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Okay, and this will be pair number 1. And now I have to find. Okay, I get this piece. Okay, it's very hard to do like because I actually have no idea the orientation. I guess I needed to learn the cube first, but let's see. No. This is one, and okay, I guess I forgot that I have here, and okay, this is the rest of it. Now, let's see. I think it's this one, so Okay, I got it wrong, and now I'm pretty sure this is right. Okay, so this in place. This should be much better. And I got this has to be swept and this have to be swiped. So this is the T pawn, and well, actually it's not a T pawn, it's a Y pawn. Ha. Okay, I guess it took me a while. So I guess you can understand this is a hard cube for solve. Maybe in the next solve I can make it much faster. Overall, it's a nice cube for a collection. It's a great fun, great challenge, and there's nothing much to say. So this is it, guys. If you have any comments, feel free to leave any comments, ask questions. Please subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thanks.